Hi everyone, everybody is having a good day. Today I'm happy to show the results of one of my patients who done hair restoration after 7 months. You see, when you do hair restoration, it's important to do the age assessment, to do the donor and the area assessment, and also the expectations and all the safety methods of doing it. So today my patient is very kind and happy to share his results. So I'm going to show his results only at the top part here because he's willing to show this area, and I'm so happy he's willing to share to all those. So all those who are watching this video, who are my patient, who are going to be my patients, who have hair loss problems like this, please do come and have a consultation and see what we can do to help you. There are many options when you have hair loss. Depending on your age, you can come and listen and get advice on the different types of different options we have. This is my patient who is 28 years old. A very conservative hairline and a very conservative amount of grass was done for him. Basically, patient did not have any more hairline, so we created a new hairline. Doctor focused more on the front, just a little bit placing at the back only because aesthetically he just wanted to have more confidence and hairline, and the fact that he is young, so I did a very conservative hairline for him. He applies coconut oil every night and makes his hair goes up like that flat and looks really nice. So at 7 months he has awesome results, and the donor has healed very well, and also is extremely happy. When we do hair restoration, we see the number of grafts, we see the age, we don't really do too much at one go because we can customize to the individual of every patient's need and varying effects of all the progressive hair loss. So I'm very happy for my patient. My patient is a happy patient, and I'd like to thank him for sharing this small video of him and me showing his awesome results after 7 months of procedure.
I'm very happy to see this result within 7 months, like 7 to 8 months. So I'm very happy. I don't have words to describe the happy moment. Last time I don't have the airline. I feel like the low confidence. I got so much of air fall, but now I got that much of confidence because of this hair transplantation. Thank you doctor, thank you so much.